Hey everyone, today we are going to see about the organs of UNO. Before seeing the organs of UNO, we must just know the formation of UNO. We must recollect it. The UNO was formed on the year 1945 and it came into being on 24th October. It is the largest organization in the world. First, it was discussed and it was given as the Atlantic Charter on 4th August 1941 during the time of Second World War, and it was discussed in the Washington Conference in January 1942. In 1943, four nations discussed at Moscow, so it was known as Moscow Conference. Further, during the closure of Second World War, at Dumbarton Oaks on 21st August 1944, many nations joined together and they discussed about this formation of the UNO. They wanted to have a peace organization to avoid a world war, so they wanted to have this UNO, and this was again discussed in the Yalta Conference from 4th to 11th February 1945. The final discussions were held from 25th April 1945 to 26th June 1945. In this conference, 50 countries participated, and on 26th, the member countries signed the charter, and because of that, the UNO came into being from 24th October 1945. At present, there are 193 member countries and 2 observers in the United Nations organization. The headquarters of the UNO is in New York. Mr. Antonio Guterres is the Secretary General of the UNO at present. The main aims and objectives of the UNO are to maintain international peace and security, to encourage international cooperation in the new sphere of social, economic, and cultural developments, to develop friendly relations among nations on principles of equal rights and self-determination, to recognize the fundamental rights of all people. The major organs of the UNO are the the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council, the International Court of Justice, and the Secretariat. See, this is the emblem of the United Nations. The General Assembly. The only body in which all UN members are represented is the General Assembly. This General Assembly exercises deliberative, supervisory, financial, and elective functions relating to any matter within the scope of the UN Charter. The Assembly convenes annually, mostly in the third week of September, and in special sessions, electing a new president each year from among the 5 regional groups of states. Next is the Security Council. The UN Charter assigns to the Security Council primary responsibility for the maintenance of international peace and security. The Security Council originally consisted of 11 members, 5 permanent and 6 non-permanent members. Britain, China, France, Russia, and the USA are the permanent members. At present, Germany, India, and Japan are permanent council seats. The Economic and Social Council. The Economic and Social Council directs and coordinates the economic, social, humanitarian, and cultural activities of the UN and its specialized agencies. The Trusteeship Council. The Trusteeship Council was designed to supervise the government of trusted territories and to lead them to self-government or independence. The trusteeship system, like the mandate system under the League of Nations, was established on the premise that colonial territories taken from countries defeated in war should not be annexed by the victorious powers but should be administered by a trust country under international supervision until their future status was determined. The most important organ is the International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice, commonly known as the World Court, is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations, though the court's origins predate the League of Nations. The idea for the creation of an international court to arbitrate international disputes arose during an international conference held at The Hague in 1899. This institution was subsumed under the League of Nations in 1999 as the Permanent Court of International Justice and adopted its present name with the founding of the UN in 1945. The last and the most important one is the Secretariat. Secretariat, the organ that administers and coordinates the activities of the United Nations. It is headed by the UN Secretary General. The Secretary General, the principal administrative officer of the United Nations, is elected for a 5-year renewable term by a 2/3 vote of the General Assembly and by the recommendation of the Security Council and the approval of its permanent members. Secretaries General usually have come from small or neutral countries, most probably the developing countries and from the underdeveloped countries. The Secretary General serves as the Chief Administrative Officer at all meetings and carries out any functions that those organs entrust to the Secretariat. Thus, we could conclude that these are the organs of the United Nations organization. Okay.